I would like to mark some of my plants with some kind of tag or label. What would you recommend for labeling plants that is weatherproof and won't fade from the Florida sun? Thanks. This is Greg in South Florida on Facebook.
Wow, Florida sun.
Yeah,
Southern Florida at that.
Yes.
It's gonna be hot.
Yeah, so Jason, I
well,
think you're the right
first
person
thing,
for that.
yeah, I'm gonna talk about things we do here, but
Okay.
also, you know, what you might, might be a little bit more affordable. What you don't want to use is a Sharpie. Sharpie says permanent, but they're not permanent.
Okay.
So whatever you're marking on, if you can use a pencil, that works best. Venetian blinds cut in two, milk jugs, you can write on a pencil with some of those, works much better. There's a wax pen, but a wax pen can also melt in the heat. So really, a pencil works really well. And then a couple things we use here, and this is really permanent. We have some of these that's been in the garden for many years, is the Pawpaw. This is a brand. There's other brands out there. Pawpaw is one of the most common of the zinc coated labels, and this is a stainless steel stake. And we, Celeste has got here this clear address label that you can print on. Now it has to be a laser sensitive, or laser printer. It cannot be a dot matrix. Got to be a laser printer. And I've had some of these last over 20 years. And it is important, we found this out, that you actually need to use Avery brand. We've tried some generic brands, they don't last. And the number, Celeste, what is that number on there?
Oh,
right
5660.
5660. It's very important to choose that right number. And so this just sticks on the label and the metal label, and then of course goes on the stake here. And again, I've had some of these, actually I've had some close to 25 years in my home garden that were printed this way, and they last really well. And you can buy these in different lengths, the stakes themselves, and different types of tops as well. And then the other thing, if you don't have a laser printer, you may want to use something like this Brother P-Touch. And these are really user-friendly. I just bought this one for myself back not too long ago, and I think it was around $60. Works really well. I've already typed in a name, so I'm going to hit print on here, and it
I've
comes
never used
out
these before.
here.
How about that?
And so these are made for all sorts of labeling. You can, and then you click it right up here and it cuts it off. I didn't bring a pair of scissors out here, but then you would cut it and trim it, and you would stick it on here. And here's one I have already finished. And I know people that's had these in the garden 10 years. I'm not sure what the life expectancy are, but that works really well. And it's really simple. You don't have to get on the computer, and you can just do it easily that way.
Lots of different options.
Yeah.
And those are more permanent solutions. And you can also reuse this. It's hard to get that sticker off, but you can reuse the stake. So we actually recycle this if we're not using it again, but we reuse the stake in the garden. So it works really well.
Good deal. Yeah, I knew Jason would be all over that one.
Oh yeah.
He labels a lot of plants.
Oh yeah.
I do.
Well, we want everybody to know what they're looking at here in the
right.
UT Gardens Jackson.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.